other thing which is very disturbing is that the Kolkata police has only given 27 minutes of the footage. But why has the entire footage till date not been seized? And when the Kolkata police gave it, did they use a instrument called the blocker device?
What is it called?
Blocker device. Because that ensures that the hash value does not change. And it is very important. What is a hash value? It is basically the fingerprint of any electronic document. Now, the CBI has to seize the entire footage.
Mr. Solicitor, this aspect, which we highlighted last time during the course of the hearing.
Page, ground G, page 5. We have not.
Just give us.
Is ground G, not ground, Malord. Para number G, page 5.
But, Mr. Solicitor, can you not summon ask the state police to make sure that this is handed over to you?
It's not handed over. I'm
You have to seize it. You are investigating.
that process is on. So that process is on.
40 days have passed. Whether it has been rewritten or not, that also we.
That's.
Have you seized?
The difficulties, Malord,
Please
devices
ensure that you seize the DVR and just find out, have you used the blocker device or not? Because you have to ensure the authenticity of the hash value.
and whether it is overwritten or not, because the devices can be overwritten.
That depends on the capacity of the storage device.
See, CBI has to ensure, because today your investigating officer is completely in charge of your investigating team.
Correct.
Make sure that the CBI itself seizes the entire the DVR and the entire video footage.
Or it has to be from before and it has to be after.
Absolutely.
And not only that.
Oh, you're absolutely right on
The
that.
doubling factors.
We have absolute clarity. You're right on that, and we hope that the CBI is going to do that.
Doubling factor is my lord, that whatever was leaked to the media with regard to this particular accused, I am not going into that. But my lord, till date, the sketch map has not been shown to your lord. Because from what I have learned is that the place where the camera was placed is not at the entrance of that room, seminar room. There are also other entrances and exits that the CBI will investigate, because it could have come from the other side and gone.
If after you read or after we dictate the order, you feel that we have taken into account something and made any adverse observation against you, come back to us.
Well, the only problem is once the statement is made, Malad, that there was no sketch map.
I never said there was no sketch map.
Malad, that
Not been produced.
that's what exactly he said. Malad, that 5371 was shown to the High Court, Malad. In fact, we have a complete answer for it because 5371 was never used since 1997.
But Mr. Sibal, we'd like one
Well, this is
element of
not
cooperation.
what happens is their statement goes on record.
No, but the Calcutta police must also now cooperate with the CBI because they want the entirety of the footage.
Malad, it's all there. Malad, given, Malad, 7 to 8 hours of footage is given.
Why would they?
Malad,
So footage.
Ask your police team. Has the one second? Has the DVR been handed over to
Yes. This is what happens. Malad, the statement is made that it is not handed over. It is handed over. It's handed over in front of people. Malad, it is not as doctors.
7 minutes, Malord. My director.
What's the fault? 7 to
My
8 hours.
director is here.
8 hours.
Not fair.
It is the storage device.
Handed over. DVR, not just the CCTV.
Everything is handed over.
Challan is not used. It's a
Now, Lord,
slip,
We have a taking over document here.
which has been signed
Malad,
by CBI.
one second.
But that DVR.
We have a taking over document signed by CBI.
DVR has only 27 minutes.
What they are saying is this, that the DVR was handed over, but it has only a recording of 27 minutes footage.
It was sealed, Malad. It was sealed.
But
They have opened it.
Maybe so it was sealed, but nobody can claim that, well, CBI has destroyed any
We are
part
not saying that, Malad. We are not saying that.
But therefore CBI is saying,
But when they say I don't
out
have,
of what was sealed and given to us, there's only 27 minutes.
not true, not true.
7 to 8
Search and seizure.
7 to 8 hours.
Search and seizure.
Hard drive,
But it
7
is
to 8
relevant.
hours.
hours.
Because, my lord, the
Hard drive.
4 hard drives
seizure
are given,
of
Malad. What's the
samples
point of this
is
kind of...
relevant.
But then, Mr. Solicitor, this is a matter for further investigation.
Yes, you
You have the SHO in your custody.
Yes.
Otherwise, things go on record.
Spot map handed over. Requisition slip handed over with the dead body.
Of course. Investigation, Manoj.
There are two distinct things. Brother
Yeah.
Manoj Mishra
Yes,
pointed it out.
yes.
One is the video footage of the search and seizure.
Correct.
Independent of that, you have the DVR of the CCTV
Yes.
of the hospital, the medical
Yes.
college, particularly around the seminar room.
Hold on, don't say that.
Now, 1 second. We therefore want to know, has the DVR of the CCTV footage
Yes,
been handed
one
over to the CBI?
pen drive
Because
as it is. Manoj, kindly.
CBI says, when CBI says that we have
Manoj, I'll read it.
27 minutes of the raw footage of the search and seizure,
Correct, correct,
that they do not dispute about
Correct.
27 minutes.
correct.
When has the DVR of the CCTV at the hospital been handed over to the CBI is what we want to know.
Manoj, on 14th of August, one pen drive of capacity 32 GB SanDisk cruiser blade containing CCTV footage of camera number that installed at the northern wall of male ward department of respiratory medicine at third floor of emergency building of Artika Medical College, having coverage of the entrance of the Department of Pulmonary, etc., handed over, signed by them. Then
That
second-
is
One
does
camera-
not cover the
One
seminar
second.
hall.
Just a second. From what you disclose,
Yeah.
it appears that footage in relation to one camera outside the
Manoj,
department.
allow me
The seminar hall.
Allow me
That's
to
the
read
problem.
the rest, Manoj.
All right, go ahead and read. Yes. Because
I
up
just
to now.
read one paragraph.
All right, just read out the rest.
Yeah, the rest is one pen drive of capacity 32 GB. This cruiser containing the copy of the CCTV footage as mentioned in item 1 of seizure list dated so and so.
That's only-
White seizure list dated so and so. One pen drive of capacity 32 GB SanDisk cruiser blade containing CCTV footage of camera 16 installed at the ground floor on the eastern side wall of the main entrance admission ticket counter of emergency building of RGK Hospital, behind the drinking water kiosk, facing towards southwest direction, covering the main entrance gate of KCRG, handed over. Then one pen drive of capacity 32 GB, this cruiser blade made pen drive containing copy of CCTV footage as mentioned in item 3 of seizure list dated 11, handed over. But then what is the point of saying?
Why would all cameras?
Further.
May I say this?
Yeah.
You have identified the specific cameras in relation to which,
All of
All
them.
of them.
is it your statement that nothing remains with this?
Yes,
Kolkata police?
yes, all of them handed over. All of them.
All cameras.
All
They have signed off on it.
cameras suggesting the
Part of the
seminar
clarity
room.
they
Let
have
them
signed
make a
off on.
statement.
Why don't you read? Why just we give it, Malaj?
Yes. Handed over and signed off by them.
Page 5G, your lordships have seen. We have obtained from the authorities.
May I just hand over, Malaj, everything that's been handed over?
Signed off by them.
Sorry, number 5.